Hello Snapchat fam. Have you ever blocked someone on Snapchat? Maybe in a moment of race or by accident. And now you wanna unblock them? No worries. Today I'll gonna show you how to remove a block on Snapchat in just a few easy steps. So first, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now hit that setting icon in the top right. Now scroll down until you find block. This is where Snapchat keeps track of people who you have blocked, like an ex-friend list. See the person you want to unblock, tap that X next to their name. Snapchat will ask if you are sure, because let's be real, do you really want to unblock them? If yes, hit yes, and they're unblocked. Now here's the catch. Unlocking someone doesn't automatically add them back. You'll have to search their username and send them a friend request again. So if it was your bestie, maybe send a nice "oops my bad" text too. And at the end, you became a Snapchat unblocking pro. If this helped out, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for Snapchat tricks.